Using FND Menus Loader template in Application Interface Wizard, you can create and update menus in Oracle. Sections are the same as the Oracle form. To enter your dataset, you have a few options. You can type the data in, you can use any standard Excel functionality. Menu name is the unique name for the menu to identify. Value uploaded in this field is converted to uppercase by Oracle. User menu name is also unique, but is a more user-friendly name. Value in this field holds the same character case, upper, lower, or mixture, whatever you want to enter. In the menu entries section, sec is a sequence number of the entry under the menu. Please note that when making changes to the menu entries section, the sec field cannot be changed, as this is what used to distinguish which entry is being modified. You can also enter or complete your dataset using the forms available from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on any record. Before you can bring up the user form, you need to select the FND Menu Loader template from the main ribbon. After selecting this template, you can then interact with your Oracle instance. You can import this template from the Setup ribbon in this tool and then start using it. Double-click on any record to bring up the user form for this record. User function name is a searchable field. Use the wildcard % to increase your search capabilities on this field. Because function name can have more than one value per user function name, this value has been added to assist in uniquely identifying a function name. When you close a user form, it performs validation. Let's upload those records using Upload Selected. The wizard starts with validation and then upload only valid records to Oracle using Oracle APIs. Menus which have been successfully uploaded to Oracle have an accepted status, and the ones that didn't go through are in error with an error message to help us fix the data. You can then fix the error and reprocess the selection. The menu was successfully uploaded. You can also download existing menus using the download form or download via sheet option. You can then update existing records, for instance, update the menu description at the header level. You can also do updates at the menu entry level, for instance deleting some menu entries, and then you can re-upload this menu. This menu was successfully updated. You can see the feedback on the corresponding sections. Thanks for watching this video.